All right, so this is the pool in daytime, and if you look down here at the other end, the deep end, what I've done is I've put our pool light, our solar pool light over here. It's made by Poolhacker, and this is it right here. And so the sun hits it most of the day, and then tonight I'm going to show you guys how it works. But you got to have it in a nice sunny place. So I've got it right up front here. Let me back up so you guys can see. So I just set it right on the deck, and this lower part goes into the water. Let me show you guys. I mean, it's hot because it's black, but so it's got, let me show you this. So it's got a little pad here, right? And this part sits on the deck, and this part's in the water. And it's really simple to use. You just put it right in like that. And then just make sure that this top part's getting sun, right? And then it'll work all night. And then I'll show you guys how we turn it on. But that's it right there. I'll show you how to turn it on. And yeah, it works pretty good. We'll do that tonight. All right, so we're gonna check out our pool light and see what's going on here. For some reason, it's not on. So I think I gotta press this button in the front here, like this, and there it goes. Look, check it out. Now I think I can cycle through the colors. If I press this, there, it's red. Right? Let's try the next one. There's green. Looks pretty awesome. See, that covers the whole thing. Let's do another one. There's like a deep blue. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's do another one. And that's just like white. Let's keep going. Green. I think I'm gonna go to, I like that. Don't you guys like that? It's pretty good. It covers almost the whole pool. So yeah, that's it right there. And it's by Poolhacker. And let me go with, oh look it, here's one, here's flashing. Check it out. Let's click it again, see what else we get. I know it will cycle through the different colors. I just gotta get the right positioning of it. For some reason it's not. There we go, there's the blue. That's the one I'm gonna leave on. So yeah, that's it. So you guys can get a look from here. Check it out. So yeah, and there's our pool at night. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.